India is a land of languages. Out of a total of about 1,600 languages, 22 are official. These languages are written in over 10 major scripts. Bharati Script is designed to be a common script that can express all the major Indian languages. In India, often different languages are written in different scripts, which poses many barriers to communication. Just as in Western Europe, where the Roman script is used to express all the major languages, is it possible to create a common script for all Indian languages?
My lab has been working on character recognition technologies for Indian languages for more than a decade. At one point, I asked myself, why have so many scripts? Why not just one?
The characters in Bharati script are created in a minimalist fashion to express their corresponding sounds. All the characters can be expressed in a strictly modular 3-tier structure which offers immense possibilities for game development like board games or mobile games. Bharati script is easy to learn.
After about 10-15 minutes of instruction, the kids come onto the board and write their names in Bharati script.
Bharati script is ideal for technology applications.
We have developed an OCR system, finger spelling system, and an Indian Braille system, all based on Bharati script.
It can shorten the duration of adult literacy programs from 6 months to a few weeks. Bharati script can positively impact large sections of India, next generation of Indians, linguistic groups without a native script, tribal communities, adult illiterates, linguistic groups of the Northeast, migrant Indians, hearing and visually impaired, and millions of non-resident Indians. The possibilities are infinite. Bharati can change India's future.